Good day everyone, we are here in the garden with our Barry here. So we are going to harvest some of the vegetable produce that we have in our little garden. So what are those, Barry? Tomatoes, yeah, there's sips in there, eh? Look at that. Yeah, put it in there, those other ones there, heaps. Oh, we can hear Duncan. That's the one. Yeah, all those ones with that are ripe. Yeah, you don't need the siso there really. Just seeps in there, eh? In this side is the other bunch of tomatoes and potatoes. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, over here you pick those, harvest those potato. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Oh, just the big ones. Look at that. Woo. Go this way. Look at this way.
My dad is harvesting the pumpkins and the squash.
Ooh, look.
Yeah.
Nice, eh? Can you do portrait? Dito naman ay meron kaming sayote. Ooh, we're gonna harvest this sayote, eh? Another one. Another one here. Beautiful. There you are. Mmm. Nice, nice, nice. We got 3 sayote there. Beautiful, beautiful vegetable. Over here is we have the otong, sitaw, or the string beans. Oh, it's nice, eh? Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Some in there at the top and over here. You can grab here too. Look, look, look. This one is the new variety of ampalaya, or the bitter gourd. Paria, as we say in our local dialect, you see. Big chunks. Over here, you can see this utong. Mom will cook the pinakbet again tonight. And she comes, eh? Look at that. It's nice to have some vegetable garden, Barry. So that when you want to eat fresh veggies, you can come here in the garden. At the same time, you have some harvest and time with the nature, you see? It's always nice to be in the garden. Look at that. Maybe one. This one too. Beautiful sitaw. See that? Okay. Over here, I think, look, there's another one big one. Episode. Oh, look at that, this way. Big. Yeah. And another one here, we can get this one too. And we have some sealy over here. Sealy, the sealy. You need that for the sinigang and some for the. Over here, look, to complete the pinakbet, we have this ampalaya. Beautiful ampalaya. And another one here. We can grab this one now. There's some leaves there. And another one here. Big one. Oh, look at that. That should be enough. It's only 3 there anyway. Aside from the other. Alright, this is us from our little garden. Thank you very for your help today. And as always, matagot-tagot ako amin. And alwad-alwad lata. Happy gardening everyone.